In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend an alignment in Civil 3D. If you're refining a roadway, adjusting a subdivision street, or simply need a little more length to match your design limits, extending an alignment is a quick and precise task once you know where to look. Start by opening the drawing that contains the alignment you want to modify, then click directly on that alignment in the model space. You'll know it's selected when you see grips and the alignment highlights. It helps to zoom in on the end you plan to extend so you can pick points accurately and avoid snapping to the wrong object. Next, right-click on the selected alignment and choose Edit Alignment Geometry. This puts you into the editing environment and brings up the alignment layout tools. Think of this as your control panel for adding, removing, or fine-tuning geometry. As long as you're in this mode, Civil 3D will guide you through the inputs it needs. Within the alignment layout tools, choose either free curve or free tangent. Use free tangent when you want to continue the alignment with a straight segment, ideal for extending a road in a consistent direction or for testing a simple layout. Choose free curve when you want to add curvature, for example, transitioning into a new roadway or softening a turn. Civil 3D will prompt you for the necessary information, such as a point to define direction, or for curves, a radius or a target point. If you're unsure which to use, start with free tangent for quick sketches, then switch to free curve when you know the curve parameters you need. Now, hover over and click the end of the alignment you plan to extend. This ensures the new segment attaches cleanly. Then move your cursor to sketch the extension. Watch the dynamic feedback on screen. It shows bearings, lengths, and curve previews, so you can verify you're getting the geometry you expect. Use snaps and orthogonal mode if you want extra control over direction and alignment with nearby features. If you're placing a curve, aim for a smooth transition that maintains design speed and sight distance, and try to avoid overly tight radii. When you're satisfied, press Enter to finish the command. This confirms the edit and exits the layout tool. Take a moment to review the updated alignment in plan view to ensure continuity and that the tangents and curves connect cleanly. Finally, save your drawing so the changes are preserved. A quick save works, and if you're experimenting, consider saving a new version so you can compare alternatives later. That's all it takes to extend an alignment in Civil 3D cleanly and confidently.